when you feel like quitting. Remember that the pain you feel today will be replaced with the strength you need tomorrow. Remember that every ounce of pain you feel is building a stronger you, a stronger body, a stronger mind, and a stronger character. So push through the pain. Don't let it stop you. Force it to grow you.
When you feel like quitting, remember why you started. Look deep within, you're stronger than it's applauded. You're stronger than you think, no longer faint-hearted. You've been here before, you battle-hearted. Whatever's happening in your life, you make it through the pain. Whatever struggle that you're facing, you can make the change. Remember those who said you'd fail and let them fuel your flame. You might be down today, but you are not the same. You might be down, but you're not out. You might be down, but you ain't knocked out. Get off your back, if you can look up, you can get up. Wipe all the blood and sweat off, look in the mirror, and then take in the view. This is a newer you, a stronger version. Get back on track, stick to your purpose. Remember that the key is consistency. The harder the battle, the sweeter the victory.
Remember why you started. I think about it every morning. You will make it through the hardships if you put all of your heart in. So remember why you started. I think about it every morning. You will make it through the hardships if you put all of your heart in. So remember why you started.
You didn't come this far to quit. And even though the world's against you, you can handle it. You didn't come this far to quit. Get back in gear and make the shift. You've got haters to prove wrong. You've got doubts to prove wrong. You've got dreams to move on. Don't let them go to waste. So that thing that you're working on, don't quit halfway and let somebody else come and take your place. You go hard, no excuses. You work hard, no excuses. It's too hard, no excuses. You're too stressed, no excuses. You're too tired, no excuses. Too tough, no excuses. No excuses. You've got to be ruthless. This is a newer you, a stronger version. Get back on track, stick to your purpose. Remember that the key is consistency. The harder the battle, the sweeter the victory. The harder the battle, the sweeter the victory.
Remember why you started. I think about it every morning. You will make it through the hardships if you put all of your heart in. So remember why you started. I think about it every morning. You will make it through the hardships if you put all of your heart in. So remember why you started.
Nothing great is going to come if you quit. I know it's hard. I know you are tired. I know it seems impossible, but you must keep going. Stick it out and get your reward.
I didn't come this far to only come this far. I hear some people saying things like, when I make it, when I get to the top. I'll keep working hard until I get to the top, until I reach my goal. Let me tell you something. There's no end. Winners never stop. If you reach your goal, set a bigger goal. If you get to the top of the mountain, find a bigger mountain. It's the journey. The continued pursuit of growth, the constant seeking of improvement, the challenge. That's what makes life great. That's what makes a fulfilled life. I didn't come this far to only come this far. When I get this goal, I'll seek more. Not more things, more growth. Constantly pushing myself to be better. I didn't come this far to only come this far. I came this far so I can be strong enough to go further. So I'll be good enough to push myself hard. I'm only getting started. This is just the beginning. I'm proud of my achievements, but that doesn't mean I'll settle for them. Proud, but never satisfied. Proud, but forever hungry. Proud and always ready. Proud but pushing. Pushing for more. Pushing for great. A true winner doesn't seek only the title. A true winner seeks growth. A true winner seeks greatness. It's the journey. It's the challenge. Don't tell me it's over. I'm just getting warmed up. If the journey wasn't challenging, the destination wouldn't be rewarding. It's the challenge that makes the greatness. You can't have a champion athlete without great competitors pushing them all the way. You can't have the greatest of all time without champions pushing them all the way. It's the journey, the process that makes the greatness. If you reach your goal, set a bigger goal. If you get to the top of the mountain, find a bigger mountain. Imagine if you got what you want every time. No struggle, no hard work, no challenges, no hard work required. Some of you are saying that will be great. You would be weak because you have never gone through anything that strengthens you.
I remember cold nights, I cried many tears. Most nights I tried to beat my fears. Hard times, I struggled for many years. I tried and tried, but so many failed. Sometimes I asked, why am I even here? Sometimes I even thought, if I should end it here. I feel like giving up, but I wasn't aware that some things in life aren't always as they seem to appear. See, the struggle made me stronger. All the pain and failure built a comfort. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. And clinging on to life has built my hunger. And I needed the time to understand. It was a struggle that made me expand. The struggle was a part of the plan. The struggle made me who I am. Being backed into a corner, forced me to stand taller, made me a shot caller. The struggle made me stronger. Now I'm a problem solver. I am a top performer. I can do what I want. The struggle made me stronger. I had to work harder. I had to work smarter. I had to be faster. The struggle made me stronger. Stronger than I remember. In every way I'm better. Now I'm a 1%er. The struggle made me stronger.
You're stronger than you think you are. Don't forget that when the times are hard. You might be drowning in pain, but you ain't out of the game. Because you're stronger than you think you are. The bad times aren't here to stay, they're here to pass. Life is the school of hard knocks, the struggle's just a class. Which you graduated, walking on the right path. You might not realize it, but you're stronger than your past. Think back to where your story begun. It's not what you get, it's who you become. After the struggle, you realize you needed that lesson. And when you look back, you realize it was a blessing. And now you're stronger, you're faster, you're smarter, you're wiser. You're a true survivor. You needed the pain to change because you can't see the bigger picture when you're standing in the frame. Being backed into a corner forced me to stand taller, made me a shot caller. The struggle made me stronger. Now I'm a problem solver. I am a top performer. I can do what I wanna. The struggle made me stronger. I had to work harder. I had to work smarter. I had to be faster. The struggle made me stronger. Stronger than I remember. In every way I'm better. Now I'm a 1%er. The struggle made me stronger.
You are stronger than you think. You survived all your challenges to this point. And you will survive whatever is coming. But next time a struggle comes, I don't want you to curse the skies. Know that it was sent for a reason and a lesson. It might be to make you stronger. It might be to teach you patience. It might be for you to show others your spirit. There is a reason. So don't you give up. You have a purpose in this world. And you will only find it if you keep going and keep growing.
Life can be brutal. Life can be unforgiving. If I had to sum up in one word the difference between the greats and the average, the difference between the successful and the nobodies of the world, one word, one attribute to describe the difference: discipline. If you don't have the discipline, you can forget about the trophy. You can forget about the success, the greatness. All champions have discipline. It's the discipline to work hard. You know, not when everyone is watching, but when no one is watching. When the fans aren't there, when the coach isn't there, when it's just you and your character. The discipline to eat strong, healthy foods when you have other tempting options. When those around you might not be so strong. The discipline to say no when those around you choose to be average. The discipline to keep going when it hurts. Because life doesn't give you what you want. It gives you what you deserve. And if you haven't worked for it, if you haven't sacrificed for it, if you haven't given your all, then you don't deserve it. And you won't get it. Push through the pain. On the other side is growth. When pain comes, that means it's time to show character. Show me your character. Remain disciplined. Stay strong. When it all seems hopeless, keep plugging away. Nothing can stop you if you don't stop for anything. Don't stop for anything. Never break your discipline. Remain faithful to yourself and your vision. When it gets painful, push harder. Push through the pain. You gotta have the discipline to do 11 when your opponent stops at 10. The discipline to keep going when it hurts. Because life doesn't give you what you want. It gives you what you deserve. And if you haven't worked for it, if you haven't sacrificed for it, if you haven't given your all, then you don't deserve it. And you won't get it. Show your character. Remain disciplined. Stay strong. Don't say why the pain. Don't say why me. Say try me. Say, is that all you've got? Give me more. Keep plugging away when there seems to be no hope of victory. When you don't see the results. Hang in there. Be strong. Be brave. Remain disciplined. And your time will come.
YouTube, are you guys ready to go? I will respond to you though with your comments. What's up, YouTube? How are you guys doing? Give me a second here. Cool. Before I start, I want to respond to him. You said that motivation is gonna make you blow your account. It shows you are not listening. How is it gonna make you blow your account? When he was talking about discipline. Keyword discipline, and you said it's gonna make you blow your account? That's crazy. Anyways, let's take a look at gold here on the daily time frame, see what's going on here. Of course, we are still bullish overall, and we have a daily resistance here. So that's our daily resistance, and we have our daily support here. And we got another support here. In a minute. All right, let's take a look at the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, we have a support here. And we have another 4 hour support here. We got this support here, but we have a very clean 4 hour demand there, so that is what we are going to use here. Let's take a look at the H1 time frame. So H1 time frame, we have a demand here. So got a support here. We do have a demand here that held previously on the H1. It is not the best, but we are going to mark it up anyways. And of course, we got one here. Take a look at the 30-minute. H1. So on the 1 hour, we have this supply here. Looking at this, there is a chance we could take possible buys. We'll see. See what we have here on the 15. So on the 15-minute, I am going to adjust this demand here.
Hello.
Uh-huh.
Coffee. Can you give me a call? Thank you. Bye.
Last night was the last time that I saw you. My lifeline every time that I called you came through. But last night was the last time
We got
that I
a
saw you.
support.
Now I'm right here thinking, what am I gonna do? Yeah, 'cause last night was the last time that I saw you. I might
shake it up and roll the dice. Toast one up for lonely nights. Sleeping all my days away. Hope it eases the pain away. See something, I think of you. I don't wanna think of you. All these moments in my head.
So, as of right now, guys, I am change this to 30 minutes.
Thinking about past times, yeah. And last night was the last night. I won't ask why, but I'll ask why. And I'm right here thinking, what am I gonna do? Yeah, 'cause last night was the last time that I saw you.
So as of right now, guys, I am anticipating buys. Because if we look at the H1 time frame, we have a supply right here, some nice gaps over here, so I am looking to at least take buys up to that level. And also because we are bullish on the higher time frame, and then on all time frames we came back to this level of demand, which is also a 4-hour demand. We came all the way back down there and price rejected. So we'll see what happens here. I'm looking for buys until we break this low. If we break this low, then sells at that point. And you still have demand levels here too.
3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. I can flip a dial to a million.
Something in the H1.
But I'm really on 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. 3, 2, 1.
Switch this to
I don't like to brag, but I'm really on a new day.
15 minutes.
Been a decade since I made it out of rent too. We some owners, baby, we don't got no rent due. My trick, but my wife, you like to trick too. Merry Christmas, hey Saint Nick. What we want, get, we on wait list. How we got here doesn't make sense. Have patience, that'll make sense. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. I can flip a dial to a million. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. 3, 2, 1.
All right. Okay. So now we wait, guys.
Join in this prime way I'm getting to the rack. I do what I want, when I want, where I want, no cap. Put it on work now.
Good morning, Shake, Dex, EA Exchange. Get the bills up. W Lady, good morning.
Blue tank, I don't wear for the time. Real hustler, baby, throw my rollie in the sky.
What hack is that?
Ball pointing cushy, so you know it's berserk.
Hack? What do you mean, Joe?
Trevor on the mix, so you know we gon' work. I might leave it wine, find a beach and go surf.
Stillness and calmness in trading, not pushing. Out of trading in the corporate world, this motivation is good. Now, I disagree with you. You were definitely not listening.
Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. 3, 2, 1. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on.
Good morning, Rocha. Good morning, Neville.
I move heavy, need a scale. I for success like it's Braille. Brain on Ivy, coulda went to Yale. If you make it rain, I make it hell. Cliche quotes never fail. Focus in the wrong, always yells. If you put in work, you prevail. Only quote I need is keep it real. Clothes all black, cars all black. Game on tap, game intact. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changes the location on the map. Clothes all black, cars all black. Game on tap, game intact. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changes the location on the map. Watches plain to Lester's factory. Bought a Tesla, need no gasoline. She likes when we go on shopping sprees. Go from Nike straight to Louis V. Money, power, I've been in between. I've been spending money like it's free. Kick it low, I'm rarely on the scene. Kick it low, the next Bruce Lee. GMT, it cost me 17. I've been on the go since 17. You know how it goes. Yada yada, you know what I mean. Clothes all black, cars all black.
Game on tap, game intact. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changes the location on the map. Clothes all black, cars all black. Game on tap, game intact. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changes the location on the map. I can switch locations on the map. Toss a dart and we go where it's at. Calculate the numbers, see the stats. Win, run it back. No back in the booth for 40 love. Rafa on the clay, I can't be touched. With my fam, I made it out the mud. Pressure made a diamond in the rough. That's
Good morning, Adi. Quick tip for me: when adding text to my levels, I can add the text by clicking the button on with 3 squares of the toolbar. Instead of going through settings, templates, toolbar. Oh, you mean here? Yeah, I don't do that. When I want to add text, that's what I do. I mean, so pretty much what we are waiting for here is pretty much this. We came down to a 4-hour demand. I just, moved it to 15-minute demand because we also retested that anyways. So we are waiting for this. They'll come back to this 30-minute demand or come back to this 15-minute, demand, reject again, and then we look to take the buys. Look to take buys going back up. We got NFP today, so hopefully we get a trade on the London session today.
Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Push it, 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 push it. Yeah, I watch sports and not the news. Yeah, couldn't name me Paul cause I'm the truth. Yeah. Always find the wins after I lose. Even in way out, you can pick and choose. I hope you remember me. I know you remember me. Swim my babe from Tennessee. Cause she the only 10 I see. Reps in. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Push it, 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 push it. Never got a handout, had to get mine. Never had a bust down, I like to tell the time. Never have I ever said that I could never. All the doubt was motivation, now I'm doing better. Stone Island bucket, never been to London. I invest before I spend it, my family was struggling. Give my kids lessons and gifts, they don't want for nothing. Every day is Christmas, swear I'm not frontin'. Red said, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Over time, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Red said, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Over time, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Push it, 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 push it. Keep finding myself in these dark rooms, and I don't know how to get out now that I'm not with you.
Again and again, yeah, again and again. Another ball, another night, another friend of a friend. Again and again, yeah, again and again. I can't even see the bottle on.
Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting and it's early in the morning, baby, it's still better than you. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Girl, I love you through and through. I put you through hula hoops. Arguments about who and who. I'm focused on me and you. I know when the love is real, but also when the love is gone. Hit me out on how you feel. Tell me now what's going on.
Again and again, yeah, again and again. Another ball, another friend of a friend. Again and again, yeah, again and again. I can't even see the bottle on.
Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting and it's early in the morning, baby, it's still better than you. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless.
Good morning, Sue. Music with Gideon, good morning.
Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting and it's early in the morning, baby, it's still better than you. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless.
Again and again, yeah, again and again. Another ball, another night, another friend of a friend. Again and again, yeah, again and again. I can't even see the bottle on.
Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? Just feeling like
London opens in 5 minutes, guys.
under the sun. SOS. I'm just looking for a good
Good morning, Tony.
and I'm singing like whoa, Lit check, been a minute, let me hit the homies in a group text. 10 years, same team. Got a couple trophies, but no chains on the neck. Got a couple Cardis, we don't flood with baguettes. It's a very small world, so my hand holds. Wake up, make the money, that's a man's role. Loyalty and love is what I stand for. Can't forget about trust, but first, please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup, find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Whoa,
While predicted there won't be volume during London.
and I'm singing
Oh, that's why he's not here? When did you say that? In Discord?
the weekend. We've been working. I'll be posted fireside. Bring my boys in, bring your girls in. We'll be posted up all night. Limited edition, not the regular one.
Let's see it.
Shut down the city like when presidents come. I am not a rookie, I'm a veteran, bruh. Promise I'ma take it easy later on. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Whoa,
You already started a London session stream.
and I'm singing like whoa, SOS, please fill my cup.
Quick question. Can you use Top Step on your Apple table and iPhone? Possibly all you need PC. Hey, if you've been trading with your iPad, you can with Top Step because you can trade with Trading View. That's what I'm doing. But when you get the Top Step account, you can choose whatever trading platform you want. I'm using Tradeovate, and Tradeovate, they have an app. You can use that, or you can just trade it through TradingView. So you can do that.
Only rest if RIP. I got my wife, I got my kids. Probably got a few friends that I don't need. Not fake, never been fraud. Been great, still a little flawed. Always need sign when they call. Order up a drink while I'm sitting.
His name is Win with Wow.
I need a strong tail, Nico make two. Honey Jack with a little bit of juice. CYA throwing up the dose. I'm all in. Little grub at black and blue. No sauce, that strip got juice. For dessert, I just need.
Oh, you already picked Ninja Trader? I don't know if you can use Ninja Trader on TradingView. Ninja Trader. You have Ninja Trader here.
Giddy up. Heard you thought it was a drought. Is you serious?
Nah.
One call to the city up. Cop a little had a boy for the pick me up.
Yeah, Ninja Trader is not on TradingView.
Match point says serve. Going for the win. Try to stay humble, still going do it big. Don't assume I'm cocky, I'm confident. Earned every dollar for the time I spent.
You're welcome.
Hard times they come and go. 10 toes I never.
All right, Tony.
I can never ever go.
Oh, Ninja Trader has Tradeovate, and through Tradeovate you connect to TradingView. Oh, can he do that with Top Step? Ninja Trader owns Tradeovate? Oh, really? Huh, I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast rack
You connected it to Trading View on Top Step. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing too. And it's right here.
You're in last still. Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what? This is my lifestyle.
Look, pocket rocket in my pocket, please don't make me pop it. All these boys just wanna copy the style, tell them stop it, whoa, whoa. It's my destiny, feel like Latoya, like it found me my Beyonce, and she shotgun in the cockpit. Grinding with the team, making C notes. In my pocket still full of green, call it CeeLo. Alligator watch on me, Tim Tebow. And these haters love to watch me like Tebow. Look, I don't take L's, I just learn a lesson. Before I count the M's, always count my blessings. Look, I'm too short, never second guessing. Got some money, put up for the rain, so I'm not stressing.
Fast lane when I pass in the street.
Good is trying not to come back to this demand.
Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what? This is my lifestyle. Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat.
Got a question from Kenya. I'm your mentor. Many.
Coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what? This is my lifestyle.
Can the one-on-one session be discounted? No, but what I can do for you is to, because it comes with a 2 months mentorship as well. But what I can do for you is probably give you 6 months mentorship. That's the discount I can offer. You get a one-on-one session for 2 hours, and you still get a 6-month mentorship with that.
In my pocket, please don't make me pop it. All these boys just wanna copy the style, tell them niggas stop it, whoa, whoa. It's my destiny, feel like Latoya, like it
Oh man.
and she shotgun in the cockpit. Grinding with the team, making C notes. In my pocket still full of green, call it CeeLo. Alligator watch on me, Tim Tebow.
Oh my goodness. No one to come back to the demand.
Look, I don't take L's, I just learn a lesson. Before I count the M's, always count my blessings. Look, I'm too short, never second guessing. Got some money, put up for the rain, so I'm never stressing.
Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger.
Demand right here is invalid. This is what I've been saying, that even though we have valid and invalid demand zones, at the end of the day, the market is still going to do whatever it wants. It can choose to respect an invalid demand or supply and then just start doing this. But when you see stuff like this happen, it doesn't mean you should just take the trade. Just, there's always going to be another setup. There's always going to be another setup. That's why you guys saw me. I was going to the 30 minutes just to see, and the 1 hour as well, just to see if we had a demand level here, but we don't. We don't. If we can break this high, now, then just gonna mark this demand right here, and we wait for this. You need my playlist? Oh, wow. Edwin and QW said you started your own stream, and Edwin said, you're not here because you predicted that there will be no volume today.
No, definitely not. Been raining the past 2 days and my clothes dryer decided to break down, so I had to get a new one and fix it up.
QW said, yeah, I'm snitching right now. QW said your stream is called Win with Wow.
Triple W. Let's go.
He said I'm singing like a bird. Man, all gold had to do was freaking. All good had to do was. What the hell is this? All good had to do was freaking. Since we pushed up, all she had to do was freaking come back. So we can take her back up. She didn't want to do that.
Damn, this candle has no bottom wick as well.
It's got a nipple one.
Oh, okay.
You're not commenting no crime scene. Oh man.
Student of the game, I'm a scholastic. Platinum when I swipe, no, it's not plastic. I fill up the bank, magic. Student of the game, I got my masters. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh wow. Jesus Christ. The market something must have happened yesterday. The market fucking tanked.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really, really bizarre. Late New York drop.
Yeah, it's like holy shit, and that's just straight down. Market crash. Gold 2, US 30, yeah.
I think the US 30 sales we took, I think it continued falling, right?
No, it bounced, went back up to the supply that it made, and then hovered around and then fucking just fell off a cliff. Yeah.
Try not to speak my mind, but I can keep it in. Stuck on social, staying local, here you go again.
Oh, it must have been the Fed speakers.
I'm lost, I'm going down. For my kids, I give a rip. For my love, I lose alone. I want coops from 86. I want trucks from 71. Love this life, I
No, you said. Oh, you said it must be the Fed speakers.
Yeah, I'm checking it out.
When I swipe, no, it's not plastic. I fill up the bank. Magic.
Oh yeah, it says Fed speaker said that there might be no rate cuts because of sticky inflation.
Yeah, man.
Man, he should have told me that earlier. I would have fucking gone all in short.
Oh, you used half risk on the US 30 sales?
Oh no, I'm just saying, like if insider info, you know.
Oh.
That dude, they probably insiders probably already knew what he was gonna say.
My music is great. Please tell me which album this is. It's not an album. It's just this artist called NBHD Nick. I don't know if he's on Spotify or Apple Music. I don't know, but you can try.
US 30 took my runner into TP. Oh, did you get the full trade, Edwin?
Ah, man, gold. Why would you not come back to the demand, man?
Nice, Edwin.
I like the fact that this candle is actually London open candle and it shows volume. So that's good.
Oh, and thanks for snitching on Kill the Beat. Good job.
Gold just took sellers out. Sellers that sold because of this supply here.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting it to fall, at least not from here. So I was looking for buys. Especially because we had a 4-hour demand, we tested it. Then we came down from this minor high right here, created support, minor high, we got taken out, minor support here. Then we formed the resistance here, breaking this minor resistance. Expecting it to come back down, take it back up.
Finish strong, strong. Night after night, remember when I was stay up.
Oh,
After fight, knocked down, but I found a way up. No picking sides. I got my friends, down for the ride. Far from the end. 10 a.m. You're still sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the worm, what it is. All these birds, they get curved, what it is. 10 a.m. You're still sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the worm, what it is. All these birds, they get curved, what it is. I might go forever, go for eons.
today is gonna be a W. Yes, sir.
When I was a kid, I was a phenom. When I was a kid, I was a beast. I pull up, then I be gone.
Every day's a W on this channel.
See ya,
That's what I'm saying.
be gone.
Yep.
See ya, see ya, see ya, be gone. Thumbing through the blues, no BB King. Back to back shit, so just looking for the ring. I wake up, I brush my teeth. I wake up, I bought 2, 3. I wake up like, ooh, that's me. Brand new car, like, ooh, that's clean. Tracksuit pants, don't wear no jeans. I'm athletic, count up 100 like calisthenics. Talking about a bag, you got bad credit. New MX, we don't use debit. Calling, brand new deals keep calling. Tell them bring them through, need all them. 4 whole kids still ballin'. I just get up and I zoom. I don't need proof on the proof. I be way up at the moon.
Really, Alex? Alex said, especially when I go to the restroom.
Oh, this guy's a long-term watcher. He knows.
Oh yeah, Alex has been watching me for a long time.
When I was a kid, I was a phenom. When I was a kid, I was a beast. I pull up, then I be gone.
You're a fan from Morocco. You're looking at GJ. You think it's a beautiful buy.
Be gone.
Think GJ is a beautiful buy.
See ya. Be gone. I'm on a run and you better know. I'm in the know and you better know.
Oh, why did I have this here? Was it? It must. Oh, it's a previous supply.
Up again. I'm at the table, I'm here to win. Don't come correct and don't come again. Please,
Nah,
just need what I
I won't be. I won't be buying it yet.
would've thought my name Tree. I pick up then I leave.
I won't be buying this just yet. Did it have this demand though? Let's see.
Get up and I zoom.
30. Okay, so you have a 30-minute demand here that we held.
Hey, nigga, I'm proud of you. Stack money a mile or 2. I might go forever, go
1 hour.
friend like you don't be on. Pull up in the Tesla, Elon.
Yeah, so if you want to buy this,
When I was a kid, I was a
just wait until we break 191.025
see ya. Be gone.
before you think about buying this now.
See ya.
And then if you're able to take the buys, take it. If you can't, then wait for us to break 191.349. Then you can look for buys. 191.349. Then you can start looking for buys because you get gaps, possible gaps to fill to the left. That's actually, the cleanest buy that you can get. You can also get it here. You just need to see GJ break above, come back, and then you take the buys to the next resistance or whatever you want to do.
Too legit. Swear I cannot do no wrong. Why I don't have much to say. All that talking on the
So just wait.
making plays, playing phone tag. You're it. Pick up more bags. Too legit. I love when the money come. I get bored, I'm thumbing some. Blues and pinks.
You're welcome, Simo.
My lane, no one-on-one. Fake love, I'm allergic to. Real love, yeah, I need me some.
Why is gold price different from traded rate? Oh, Dex, because with trade on traded rate, you're looking at gold futures. Even with Forex, all the prices is different from with brokers.
Very small though.
Yeah, not huge, very small. But keyword different. and that's what you don't have with futures because the liquidity provider is it comes from the same place.
Yeah. But it is weird because the moment you change contract to next month, price is all different.
Yeah. Oh man, look at me saying yes if I know. Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah. I remember when I was trading NAS, like every time I changed contract, the price of NAS would be like 200 points different. So like, let's say 14,000, and then I switched to next month and we're magically at like 14,200.
Oh wow. That's 100 breaking out. But Fabio, you know, we don't trade indices during London session. I used to before, but I don't do that anymore. The only thank you for actually saying that. The only indices or futures that I will add is DAX 40. If I'm going to trade any indices during London session. Wait, can you trade DAX and with futures? Can you?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
I would think no, right?
Yeah, I don't think so. What?
What? You can't?
What's this? Can I see? I don't know what this is. Is this it?
Yes. So?
But why is it called? Oh, Simon said yes. Simon, is this it? Am I looking at it right? The correct one? So how do you know which one is mini and which one is micro? I gotta do a research on this.
Oh, that's crazy. DAX KMNQUY XC.
Yeah. So I'm guessing the N must be mini and the M must be micro. So which one is K? Which one is U, V, X? Man. I'm not looking at the right one. Okay, so which one is the right one then? If you don't know, I might have to do a research on it because I will, if I can trade it on futures, then I will add it during London session. Because it's in European FDAX, you think. FDAX, let's see. Nope. Okay, you don't know either. Yeah, that's not coming up. That's not coming up. I'll do a research over the weekend.
Don't even worry about it, Abe. Stick to what works.
I was just gonna look into it.
Once we start adding extra pairs, things go south.
GU and GG third lesson, huh?
Yep.
GU was the worst of them all, man.
Oh yeah.
I just don't know. GU just didn't like us.
It's kind of crazy how bad the results were.
Yeah, GU
It's like
was
when we're looking
horrible.
at it, it's like, okay, look at the chart, just do a quick little back test and say, oh yeah, it's good. Then when we're actually trading, it's like, nope.
Yep.
Even oil started off good at first, and then it just went crazy.
Oh yeah, oil started up good. Yeah, Alex, we don't trade GJ anymore. We're done with GJ. We don't trade it. Pretty much, we don't trade currencies anymore.
When was I like? Was that January? Our last sort of GJ trade. We were like, no, fuck this.
No, February, right?
Was it part of the February madness?
No,
Yeah.
Well, did we trade GJ this year?
Yeah, we did this year.
No, not me.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we did.
Yes, we did.
Okay. It was February. Yeah,
We tried
so
to.
February was the last time. Yeah.
That's
We
what I'm
tried to
saying.
let it back in our life.
Leave German 40 alone.
So we took in February we took GJ 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and
No, we took it 3 times. You took it 4.
Oh, I took it 4. Okay, so
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I remember that.
2.
As soon as the stream ends, Abe's like, fuck this. GJ, I'm going to take it again.
Yeah.
Wow. Out of the 4 times, we only won 1 time.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember in December before the new year, we were like, no, that's it for GJ, we're done. And then we tried to let it back in our life, and it threw it back in our faces.
Yeah.
That's why as soon as Abe started talking about like researching German for it, I'm like, nah, don't do it. Gold. Fucking stick with gold, man.
My win rate is drastically improved since just going to commodities.
Yes. It's like gold's the winner. It's the one.
You know, she has crazy times, but overall, she's good. Man, how good would it have been if this thing came back to the demand? You probably would have missed the trade. Wow.
I probably would have. Would be like, oh fuck, no way, no, I got FOMO this shit.
Come on, baby, tap that supply.
Even if it taps this supply, if it does not form a support, I'm not taking it. I'm gonna wait until it comes back to the demand.
Yeah, buys look better, don't they? Yeah, here's what I'm thinking today, guys. It's gonna come off the 1 hour supply, tap the demand. We're gonna buy it. We're gonna go break even and let it run. What's NJ doing?
I know, right?
sounds like he's getting a bit lucky.
No, Solomon, we've not taken any trades today. We're still waiting.
Do it again, again, again. Do it again, again, again. Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. You can't be me, and I'm not you. I've been taught to, and I'm not too. Feeling like bliss. I feel like I chew. Wake up, I stretch. Then I eat my food. My food, that's you. You should know that. My boo from the bottom where the flow at. Came from studio apartments, no room in it. Now it's a house with a little welcome doormat. I wanna go on a ride, you wanna ride.
Good morning, Manu.
And that's for life. Compliment on my flaws, like that's alright. They all want what we have, and that's fine. Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. Catch up. See you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. Kiss my baby, I need all of the love. You're number one and there's no runner-up. I tell my babies I need all of the hugs. The blessings hit, I got more than enough. I kiss my baby, all the love that I need. And I'm loving on you, I know you loving on me. I try to give you what you need and that's all I need. And I give you 100, you got 4 of my C's. Catch up, see you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running, trying to catch up. I see you, I see you. Catch up, see you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. Catch up, see you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. Catch up, see you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gasping, leave you breathless. Breathless. Money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain. count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no floor. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam. See my little Tay-Tay, that's my girl, that's my mascot. Little ones go for hours and some hours till we pass out. Stay inside the house, turned up with them racks out. Stay inside the house, turned up with the racks out. If I got it, they got it. Fairly strong, they solid. For them empty my pockets. If I got it, we got it. Foundation been solid. Taking off like a rocket. Yeah, I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no floor. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, I love you too. Yeah, I love you too.
Why did I stop trading currencies? It was just a personal decision, a preference, and also when I took a look at my journal and I realized that currencies just was not working for me. That's why I made the decision to stop. And also, I actually started falling in love with gold. And as far as NAS 100 goes, I've always liked NAS 100. USD, on the other hand, it was just something I decided to get back to trading because I used to trade it. In fact, that was the first indices I ever traded when I started learning how to trade.
Best decision was going to supply and demand. The second best was going to the 15-minute. The third best was ditching GJ by the side street curb.
Oh, you must have watched my old live streams, well, because...
What?
I said you must have watched my old live streams on YouTube, because you were not with me when I wasn't trading supply and demand.
Oh yeah, I never watched back then. It's just that, you've told me you started with like Ichimoku Cloud.
Yeah.
I only watched you just last year, like a couple days before I joined you.
Yeah, I remember that. Like, you didn't even wait.
Yep, I'm just like, this guy's legit. He knows his shit. I'm in.
So I sold you, basically.
Yep.
I've never actually asked you, Abe, what got you started into trading? What sort of your initial hook? How did you find out about it?
Freedom.
Yeah.
Freedom. That's the main thing for me, and I feel like that actually kind of helped me, because coming into trading, I wasn't thinking about money. I wasn't thinking about getting rich. All I wanted was just freedom.
Yeah, sure.
But the funny part is, even though I wasn't thinking about the money, I was just thinking about the freedom, I still had a lot of issues. A lot of issues with greed, patience, risk management. So I still had some issues that the market, needed to show me in order for me to get to where I want to get to. I'm still not there yet, but I'm on my way. I treat like a lion, never afraid. Damn. I guess that's why I have a lion behind me.
That's so true. Like before I traded with Abe, it's like news. It's like he'll trade like just moments after news, and I'd be like, "What? I never ever trade that during that crazy volatility." And then I saw Abe trading it, and it's like, "Holy shit! He's catching these monster moves. Like, you got a candle that's like big as the fucking screen, and then he'll take the sell straight back down." And I'm like, "My God, no fear, no fear."
As big as the fucking screen.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Smoking is very good for health. Even you smoke, not all smoking. If you're talking about weed, yes, I agree. But if you're talking about cigarettes or vapes like this, nah, those are not good for your health. Even
I
though,
remember the phone. Go on.
even though I vape, I'll never tell no one to vape. But I will tell you to smoke weed though. What are you trying to say? What, Pi?
I was just going to say that I remember the first time, it must have been about a year or 2 years ago. I came across Abe's YouTube, and it was just like a cloud of smoke where your head would be. And I was like, I like this guy.
Yeah,
no drama, just chill.
Don't do no crack either. Or meth. Don't do those. Those will kill you. Those will kill you slowly. Dr. Abe recommends weed. Yes, I do. Interesting what happened yesterday with gold, such a drop. Yeah. Just went back up to the previous resistance and shit, tanked all the way from there.
Man, Don needed that push up though. Cool.
What time was this? Damn, this
what happened with Don?
He was about 40k drawdown. He bought right at the top, and then it.
He bought here.
Bought,
oh wow.
He bought there, and then it tanked, and then he did a pineapple, and then it ripped up.
Yeah.
Pineapple.
So what did he get?
I think he only got about what he does steady lots. I think he only got about 10 pips, 12 pips in profit.
Okay.
Pineapple to the rescue.
Yep.
Because he would have lost if he didn't do a pineapple.
Oh yeah, for sure.
No,
I don't know why he did it. I
wait.
just thought,
Where did he buy? Did he buy up here or this one?
no, so yes, that one, the latter. That was the
The
buy
left.
there.
Oh yeah, this
Okay.
one here. He would
And
have
then it
won.
Yeah, he would have.
He would have won
Yeah.
if he didn't have the pineapple. Yeah, he would have won. Oh yeah. He would have won because he even went up 60 pips from there.
Oh yeah, if you held it,
Yeah.
yeah, for sure.
See, if he was trading supply and demand, he would have been like, I'm waiting for it to come back here. I can
Yeah.
take it just here, drive it up. Perfect.
I mean, the pineapple was the best position. It was really, really good trade, pineapple.
Damn. Damn, gold.
Wow.
Yeah, if he wants to keep going, I actually wanted to do that because I really don't think this is going to hold. Then once we get back up to this supply, we could get some reaction there. So I wanted to keep going so we can make up this right here. Demand. I wanted to keep going. And if this 1 hour supply holds, then I'm going to need to see a support form before I take a sell. If we don't form a support and keep dropping, I'm away for the buys. The support will give me the added confirmation I need for the sales. Because with the way this two bullish candle flips, we should have lower time frame support, like right here and right here. Take a look at the 5. Yep, there you go. Minus support twice. So I'll need to see another support formed, not on the 5, but definitely on the 15. That will give me more confirmation to take the sales. If not, we wait for buys at this demand. You're new here. What ideas do I have after it has tapped a 1 hour supply? I just explained it. Any advice on how to stick to one strategy? We struggle with many strategies and my account is inconsistent. So since you have many strategies and you switch a lot, which one are you winning on? Which one are you winning on the most? If you know that, then work on that strategy, work on perfecting it, and also find your edge while using that strategy. And all the strategies you said you're using, they're working for you, right? But you are switching, so you need to find the one that works for you the best, pretty much, and then focus on that one, whether it's you winning or whether you're losing, because it was the one that worked for you the most. You just need to work on perfecting it and using that strategy to find your own edge, your own, not another trader that's also using the same strategy. You need to find your own edge at the end of the day. I found my edge.
And I would say, which one do you feel the most comfortable with? Then that one, you should stick with. Try to master one before even thinking about, branching out into more. And then the last point I would say is unsubscribe to those other fucking channels. Stick with Abe. You'll be good. He'll take care of you.
And I've said this, what I'm about to say, I've said it before too. I think was it last week. Just to add to what Wow said, I'm not trying to say, yo, you got to necessarily watch just me, but I'm going to repeat what I said last week. I don't know if you guys remember. I said, if you're watching me, right, and you're watching someone else, you need to stick to one person. One person, even if it's not me, because at the end of the day, it's you versus you. It's not you versus me or me versus you. It's you versus you. So you have to go with whoever that trader is or whoever that streamer is, the one you're comfortable with, the one you feel like, okay, I think I like this dude. The way, maybe it's the way he talks, or maybe it's the way he trades, or maybe it's his strategy. You just resonate with him, right? And also as a person, right? You just have this vibe. You just have this, pretty much your energy are in tune. If you found that person, even if it's not me, then that's who you need to stick with. If it's not me, you don't have to waste your time watching me. Because if you're wasting your time watching me, you're just prolonging your journey. Watch one person, just one. If you don't do that, you're prolonging your journey because you'll be using my strategy, using his strategy, then the next trader's strategy. That's not going to help you. You're wasting your time. So stop wasting your time. Watch just one person, even if it's not me. Okay? Remember that. Stop thinking, oh, okay, I'm going to go trade with Heb during London session. I'm going to either make money or lose money with him. And then I'm going to go to maybe Don's during New York, do the same thing. Okay, and maybe if AB's not here today, I'm gonna look for another streamer. I'm gonna watch him again, make money or lose money with him. You're just gonna keep doing the same thing, and guess what you're doing? You're wasting your time.
Yep. And you're completely dependent. You're not gonna really learn. You're just gonna be like, buy or sell. Buy or sell, please. Let me know. Just buy or sell. You got no idea what you're doing.
I discouraged stream hopping. Yeah, it's stream hopping. It's not good. If you're stream hopping, it just shows you don't want to learn. You're pretty much still, just like what I said, you're dependable. You're still looking for signals all over the place. That's what you're doing. I was describing you.
Yeah, man, 100%. I would, for the last 4 years after trying to learn this game, I would stream hop, go back and forth, blow accounts, not be dependable, not learn. And then I came across your channel, watched all your London sessions, immersed myself in supply and demand, what you teach, and then joined a community, this great community, and in the space of a month, past 2 phases, got funded, and I've got a payout coming next week. So it's so true. Once you find someone that matches your personality and shares your values and has a strategy you can completely learn, and it just becomes automatic, then that's where you're going to find success.
Pretty
Awesome.
much.
Awesome. Sounds so much better coming from someone with a British accent.
Yeah. Thank you, Viraj. Do I think 22.93 and then gold will drop? Nah. No, I don't think so. I think we are going to break this 1 hour supply. We might struggle, but I think we will break it. Now, this 15-minute supply, that's the one I'm expecting to hold. Between 2,300 and, of course, the high.
Oh, and like a lot of traders say, a lot of successful traders, you're just here to win. You just want to win. So you don't want to be like, I'm okay at, the moving average. I'm okay with fucking breakout trading. I'm okay. I'm so with this. You just want to be the best at one thing and then just fucking kill it at that one thing.
Yeah. And also, let me quickly hide the main reason why I'm expecting it to get back towards the highs. If we go to the 4 hour, so if we go to the 4 hour, we were breaking these highs. And then we created this high at 23.05, 23.04. Now, this high on the 4 hour was the high that came all the way down to the most previous low that created the high. I hope I'm making sense. This high was the high that came all the way back down to the previous low. Now, this is our first support. First previous support. Now, there is a higher chance that price can come all the way down there, reject, and pull back up to the highs, to the previous high. That is the reason why I'm not expecting this 1 hour supply to hold. I'm not expecting it to hold. And when I say hold, what I'm trying to say is I'm not expecting this 1 hour supply to hold and then we come all the way back down to this low. If it holds, we should just come back to this what the hell? We should just come back to this demand or this demand right here, and then we push back up from there. So top-down analysis is very, very important. And while you're marking up your charts, Also, make sure you pay attention to the zones, especially the 4 hour down to whatever time frame you trade on. Understand market structure. And in this case, when it comes to market structure, we understand that on the higher time frame, we are bullish. Price came all the way down to a higher time frame demand. You have a 1 hour demand, 4 hour demand, 15-minute demand, 30-minute demand on this level over here. So price could just do this, but it's gonna get back to that high, and who knows, maybe it won't break it. It's just unfortunate that it didn't come back down to this demand here. If not, we would have taken these buys. We would have taken it. You're not sure if you're impatient today? Oh, don't give in to that. Fight it, Edwin. Fight it.
Where's Kill the Beat? Why is he so quiet?
He's on troll patrol.
Wow, stay strong. Damn, okay. Normally Kill the Beat's gonna be the devil.
It'll be like, do it.
Do it, Edwin, do it.
He's behind GJ. Kill the Beat he's that little devil on your shoulder next to your angel. He's like, oh, buy it, buy it, buy it.
We could be on the run, we could be on the go, we could be in Barcelona.
I'm looking forward to the Wall and Kill the Beat stream. Everyone gets offended. Yeah, he is, the Anthony. Yeah, he is.
Yes, best quotation. Be the best in your own strategy. You hang this on your wall. Urgent selling, overbought conditions. You trying to sell gold now? Hey, good luck.
Overbought.
Good luck with that.
And you guys don't understand the RSI.
We're not
That
even
overbought,
we're not even
oversold.
close. We're not even close to overbought right now.
It's like every time I hear people say that overbought, oversold thing, it's like, dude, stop. You don't understand RSI. The fucking higher it goes, it means relative strength index. RSI means strength. That means the higher it goes, the stronger it is. It's like you're selling into like strong strength.
Yeah, I never, when I was using indicators, I really never liked the RSI, and this is why. I didn't like the RSI because there are different ways traders use RSI. And I've also seen traders using it the same way, but they're talking about two different things. I'm like, what's going on here? Like, so who's right here? So I really never liked RSI. Like just the overbought, oversold thing you're talking about. I saw videos on saying exactly what you said, and I saw videos talking about it. Who said that comment? What Alex is saying.
Yeah. That's what it actually is. It's relative strength. So that means higher is better for, buys. But obviously you don't fucking buy it at the top. It's just telling you, it's strong as shit. Wait for a pullback, buy it. Or buy it at support or whatever.
Yeah. It's crazy, like,
because you got imagined with gold, it's been like fucking straight vertical on the daily. That thing's probably been overbought for 5 days now, and anyone trying to sell it is fucked. Sorry, go ahead.
Oh man, I forgot what I was gonna say.
Oh damn, sorry.
Swing traders right now. I promise you, they're not looking to sell gold because they can't. The only reason why we've been able to sell gold is because we're day traders. We catch it on the lower time frame. If you're trading on the higher time frame, for example, the daily, and you're freaking looking for sales right now, or on the 4 hour, man, you still need to keep learning. Banks can't sell. Oh no, they not. They not. The thing with banks is they know what what they want to do, right? They know what they want to do. At the end of the day, I feel like banks they trade the trend. They trade the trend, but what they don't like doing is buying high, right, and selling low. They don't like doing that, because they want to catch their moves at a discounted price. So they will buy low and they will sell high. I don't know this for sure, but it just makes sense to me, because in the finance world, when you want to invest in something, you don't invest in it when the price is high. You invest in it when the price is low, and you sell that investment, shares, stocks, whatever, when it's high. That is how you make money in investment. Now, they will buy low and then they will sell high. But if gold is up here, right? They're not going to buy here. They're going to push the price down, right? They're going to push the price down and then buy the price back, going back up. So if you're not smart enough as a day trader and you just keep waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting because you're not, following the higher time frame trend, you're just going to end up losing. So just get what you can get as a day trader and get out of there. And get out of there. So this buys right now is the trend of the higher time frame. Trend, the bullish continuation. Okay. You have a higher chance of catching a sell because this is also a resistance. This is the previous high. This is a major high. So we could reject here. Price comes back down, possibly to level of demand, and then they buy low again at a discounted price. That's how it works.
And not to mention, banks don't have a stop loss, so they could be like, yeah, I'll buy some here. Oh, it went lower? I'll buy more here. They don't care. It's like, good.
That's why, especially if you're a supply and demand trader and you take a demand setup, a very clear demand, if everything looks good, and then you took that buy, but you ended up losing. But after you lost, price then started going your way. Losses like that, I don't really get angry at losses like that, because it shows me that, okay, I'm doing the right thing. It's just that for that day, the big players, they just wanted, to buy at a much more lower price. That's what happened. That's why I lost. Okay, it doesn't mean that what I'm doing, it's not working, but the losses that I have after losing that trade, price just continued. It never went back to my direction. Those are the ones that I will usually go back and look at to really see the mistake that I made and what I could do to improve it. And losses like that really barely happens to us. If I'm lying, Zoom, you can snitch on me. You can snitch on me, I ain't gonna get mad.
No, only truth. You only speak truth.
Just like the explanation I just made. If you take a look over here, you have a for sure clean demand here, at least on the 15 minute. You have it there. But you took this buy and then you ended up losing because your stop loss is right here. And look at what price is doing afterwards, after you took the loss. So when you have a loss like this, don't really fret about it. Don't think about it too much, because you were right. They just wanted They just wanted price at a lower price, much more lower price. That's all. That's all they wanted to do.
And sometimes we have the perfect setup and we still lose. And it's like, dude, nothing you can do about like a crazy liquidity grab,
No.
It is what it is.
Yep, there's nothing you can do. No, Edwin, I'm gonna need the support to be formed.
You can take it if you want, Edwin.
Kill the Beat's like, do it. Sell. No,
Man,
stop.
Edwin's trying to tempt Dave today. He's like, why can't we sell without a support? Let's sell it right here. Come on, Dave.
He can try. It's not gonna work though. Edwin, you can keep trying, but it ain't working.
Oh man, this would just be so perfect if it formed support and then broke. Lovely gaps to fill.
At this stage in my career, when it comes to discipline, no one can freaking tempt me to take a trade. I see this going back to the highs.
I think this is hitting 2,300 again.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. I think we're hitting 3,000 in April.
What the fuck?
Mark my words. Mark my word. You heard it here first.
3,000 in April? You do realize he's talking about this month, right?
Yeah, you heard it here first.
Damn, KW said 4,000 is coming. Sheesh. Still though, we might get to that 3,000 before the end of this year, but this month, man, I don't think so.
I'm sorry. There's not a chance in hell.
Okay. I'm on record. Okay. All I'm saying is we were at 2,100 last week. We're now at 2,300.
I mean,
we are moving.
Well,
we are moving.
If you put it that way, but I don't know about 3K this month though. That's gonna be crazy.
That happened? Holy shit. There'd be something crazy going on, like more wars broke out or something.
Yeah. 22,100 for you? What? I don't know what you're trying to say.
22,100? What?
I don't know what you're trying to say, Dipsy.
Remember this
Is he
day?
saying gold to 22,100, this crazy bastard?
22,000. Oh my god.
Oh, you're gonna say something, Pi?
No, I was just going to say, remember this day, 5th of April, Pi FX said 3,000.
I'm gonna put that right next to the fucking post about gold TP 2000 from yesterday.
Yeah. I
Right
saw
next
that.
to it.
I couldn't believe that. That was crazy. That was crazy.
Let's take a buy trade, then we become rich. Yeah, Lee. I mean, in order for us to take a buy, it has to come down. For me personally, I need to see a support form before I take a sell. We get that, I'll take the sell once we start breaking the lows. If we don't, I'll rather wait for the buys. And the reason behind it is the 5 minute, this support and this support form here. And I could already tell because of these two bullish candle flips. If not, oh yeah, I'll be looking to take a sell, quick sell, right now. Are we looking for buys right now? Yes, but we could be taking sales also, depending on the setup we see here. You think gold will drop to what? You think gold will drop to 2150? Damn. Oh, down in NFP? We'll see. Can we get 20 more likes for 100 here? We need 20 more likes to get 100 likes, guys.
To the bank like left it to the bank like I got it in tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds. Left it to the bank like pedal to the floor, need no brake lights. In the dark, watch it make light. I'm a star, got no stage fright. Please don't get me mad, I'm a nice guy. My baby say I'm cute, yeah, I'm tight fine. I be waking up when you go night night. In a different zone with the time. Left it to the bank like go. Left it to the bank like I got it in tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds, tens, 20, 50, hundreds. I get it, I flip it and continue. I've been going dumb, I've been going mental.
I would like to see us reject between 2289.17 and this 1 hour supply. Or even 22 and 2289. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys. Well, over to you so the stream is not bubbling. Thank you.
Take your time, King.
You don't want me to take my time because we've not taken a trade yet.
We're not in yet.
Oh, Gilderbeat took a sell on gold? Or is that GG?
Oh, where did you sell?
huh?
Where did you sell from, bro?
Man, that explains why he wasn't saying anything and he wasn't trying to tempt fucking Edwin. He was like, no, I'm already in. Fuck, I'm not telling anyone else.
Yeah, I'm not saying shit. Yeah, I can see why you sold. I can see that. I can see what you were thinking.
I wouldn't have taken the trade on the 5 minute, but only because there's this bearish 5 minute candle that has a massive rejection wick going straight up, and then it got taken out by the buyers. Oh, okay.
Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been could've started, but but it's never late. Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate. We need change now. We need solo, we need EV in the game now. Make it changes so the earth we know can stay around. Make it change cause we had no time for playing around. Let's quit the playing around. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me,
Sell in gold or not? Please tell.
clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene.
What you want me to tell you, man? You want me to tell you buy? You want me to tell you sell?
That's that's not the question to ask when it's Wall in charge.
I'll tell you what you want to hear. Just let me know.
World on my shoulders while I'm standing on the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need. Start from the flow, sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we
The way this candle's flipping, this looks like it's gonna drive down.
sweep up the scene. We going green, we going green.
What? Relax. Take it easy.
Always another move.
Yep.
One trade's not going to change your life. Everything. There'll always be another one.
For those people new who just hopped on the stream, basically, we're gonna wait for our support to be formed up here, which looks like it's not gonna happen now because this candle went pretty steep top wick and then flipped. And hey, if it doesn't give it, that's okay. We're gonna wait for it to come down. We're just gonna take the buys back up, or it can come down further, take the buys back up.
Damn. Okay. Alright, we'll wait for the sales. I mean the buys. Would have taken this.
I gave a really steep top wick.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. So if we maybe we've not missed it yet.
Still at entry.
Okay. What's the stop loss gonna be though? Okay, 55 pip stop loss. Ah man, look how we missed it. Shoot. Well, yeah, you see, so that no, not yet.
If it comes back.
Well, it's basically at entry right now.
I mean, at least have that 1-to-1.
Are you in, King?
Yes.
Sounds familiar. Yeah. Used to run through the money, now I'm too old. Man, I'm just playing. Shot when I land. Promoter pay for 6 flights. Got the team right. I just told Mr. Band. Came in for the bands. Beachside Villa for aesthetic. Just because and I don't even like the sand. Stan Smith sneakers on the beach. That's the water. I just came in for the tan. This was always planned. You wouldn't understand. I could turn a Chevy to a Cullinan. I could turn a Rolls to an AP. I came from Sorry Sir to come again. I came from blue screens to HD. Tell them why you mad, folk. Go on, tell them why you mad, folk. No new friends, I couldn't catch a win until I cut off the loose ends. Used to whip the under in the trunk at 210s. Just like that too. Out the speakers was max B. Couldn't say a thing about the way if you asked me. Never
Nice.
popped a chain, I was always trying to gain green. Riding around with my sexy love in the passenger seat. Tell them why you mad, folk. Go on, tell them why you mad.
Still don't have 100 likes yet.
Go ahead and just give me a reason not to change on you once I give me a
You know, the funny thing is, while you were gone, I was gonna be like, man, this is a good sell because of the steep topic, but you said you want that support for him, so I'm like, okay.
Yeah, that's my bad. I should have said it before I left.
Say I'm lying and I'm telling stories, or you can tell them why you mad, folk. Go on, tell them why you mad, folk. Silly. Soft spoken, I can hit the studio and spit to my jaw.
Oh man, OM just joined. He said he missed it. Oh.
And it's easy for me. Just tell me going, I'm on go, it's no reason for me. Doing features for a feature that's reaching for me. My next show's a mattress store, they been sleeping on me. See, they took my style, see, they been peeking on me. That's why I'm mad, folk.
They got you mad like when you suck your teeth, right? Cause they try to say like, ooh, that's a cute song. That's a cute song. But let me bar for bar real quick.
Damn, I needed 2 more peeps for 20.
You know what I mean? Like, yeah, a little reminder. Set a reminder on your phone. Wake up at 6 a.m. like me. Go to sleep at 12 like me. And it's still sleep gang. You gotta get your rest, stupid.
And I'm still here with who I started with. Not your average artist, I am not the one to bargain with. I am not the one to, no.
Stay with this.
And I'm still here with who I started with.
What the hell? That gotta be wrong too.
Competition, target practice, I don't see no targets here. I fear God and that's all I fear. This is not a starter kit. This is not gas, this is Gucci to the cardigan. Down to the moccasins. This is not a brag, I can hardly care. Lately I've been bugging, buying clothes that I'ma hardly wear. Being broke is what I fear. I've been down. Yeah, I've been down.
Oh, Edwin.
So I'ma make it last. Look for the future, I can't live in the past. And I seen the picture, died in that crash. But thank God I ain't too cool for the safe belt. My 2 kids in the back can't imagine how they felt. And they cried, and they wept, and they wept, but they're strong. And we move on. 5 steps back, but bet that I put 10 on. I put 10 on.
Yes, we
I should have
in.
closed both.
Oh, you took partials?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for. I was trying to get that 20. You saw 20?
Ah, man.
I saw 18. The way the bearish kind of flipped, it should calm down more.
There's a small danger on the 5-minute because this is rejecting the 5-minute demand.
Yeah.
And it never broke the 5-minute structure, so the thing could still push up.
Looking on the 15 though, the way this 15-minute flipped, it should drop lower, even though there is a 5-minute demand there. It should still drop some more. We'll see.
Oh, Edwin's starting to trade like me.
I thought about taking that partial still myself, but this thing should get it 20. So I'll deal with the decision I made.
Edwin saw 20. I saw 22.
What's your spread?
Oh, it's bouncing around. Right now it's at 1.2. But it was at 0.4.
Yeah, right now mine is bouncing around too, but it's less than a pip. No. A 5 minute, it's not really, this 5 minute demand is not really that strong though. It's not really that strong compared to the one we have down here, where the 15-minute demand is.
Oh.
So it should come down to the stronger demand. We'll see. Well, I needed to put 100 lots in this thing.
And I'm already out.
I'll be right back. I need some water.
I thought you said you need some wine. Be right back. Need a glass of wine.
Is Lucian here? Oh, he's here. Okay. He should be happy that I'm out because he knows the moment I get stopped out, it's good times for everybody. Liquidity's been grabbed. It's time to drop.
We got almost 40 lots. Should at least get down to that line.
Yeah, this demand, 5-minute demand is not strong enough. But man, he rejected down here, even though the demand is not strong enough, but it's still rejected.
Come on, 15 minutes. Flip.
Oh yeah, 4 hours about to close.
Or it's gonna close bullish. Should make a bottom wick.
Yeah.
I would jump back into this sell position with you guys, but the fact that Abe said there's also 4-hour close, man, I'm sorry. You guys on your own now.
I just looked at the YouTube chat and I saw someone said it. I'm like, oh yeah, that's true.
It's a good thing someone pointed it out.
Yeah, that was a good. We already in the trade. We already in the trade. Yeah,
Hopefully I'll make bottom wick first.
I almost saw that 20. When I'm in a sell and the 4-hour candle is about to open, I don't want a new 4-hour candle to freaking, especially when I'm close to securing like this. I don't want to wait for it to freaking create a bottom wick and then flip to the downside. I just want it to freaking tank. Let me get out and then do whatever you want to do. Yeah, I really don't like to talk about it either. Kid a bit. Yeah. I need 1 more hour. Yeah, on futures, yeah, but not Forex. Oh, really, Max? I definitely will say if we didn't win this trade, I will be surprised because this bearish flip on the here on the 15-minute time frame, it shows rejection at the top right there. So it should drop more before we go back bullish. Am I in? Yes.
Riding to the top, started from the floor. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Sniffing on an M, I need one.
There was Iran retaliation last night. This will will affect gold today.
Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Hit me, but I keep you on a need to know. Came up from the bottom, started from the floor. Working 10 to 10 and a 10 to 4. Bags under my eyes on my mommy floor. Always knew the plan, I know dummy knows. Always been myself, never had to fake. Had to cut off friends, had to lose a weight.
So for NFP, I am expecting it before NFP come lower, and then NFP will push up.
How we got up here, you don't need to know. Sniffing on an M, I need one of those. Sniffing on an M like I got a cold. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. How we got up
Yeah, but at the end of the day, man, nobody really knows for sure what the result of news is gonna be. All we do is speculate.
and I never lie. Keep the comments, but I let them slide. Dealt with the pain, whole lot of. I beat the game, no problem. Gotta make it for you, Your recipes, big shocker. Riding to the top, started from the floor. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Sniffing on a him, I need one of those.
Fabs Enterprise, we do have a 5-minute demand there, but it's not strong. So it shouldn't push back up. Not now.
Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Hit me, but I keep you on a need to know.
Yes, Viraj, we're in the trade.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground.
Up, down. What do you mean? You can't tell what trade we took, what position we took?
I get rich, watch, then I get a sick.
Wow.
Watch me hit the top.
We're in sales.
Left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net worth.
And from the beginning of the day, we are more sellers in this market. All this zone, we are 1,000 more sellers here. So maybe this push is just the liquidity, and now they will drive the price down.
If we break below the downtrend, we'll start, but for now we are bullish. Every chance we get discount price should only be buys. I'm shorting from the highs. What you just said, J King, initially, exactly that was what I was looking for. But when we got to this 15-minute supply, because at the end of the day, we still have bearish structure on the lower time frame, but higher time frame is bullish. Now, when we got to this 15-minute time frame, when we rejected this previous bearish candle that flip bearish, I wasn't expecting that to happen. I was expecting that it's going to close bullish for giving us a support, and then I was going to take a sell below that support, because if we should start breaking it, then that usually means we are going to drop. Now, but that didn't happen. Instead, we have a bearish rejection candle. Went back up, flipped, rejected right there at the top. That is why I took the sales. That is why I took the sales. And as well, I'm also expecting it to go back up, but not just now. Not just now. That 5 minute is not strong. Not strong enough. As long as she doesn't do what she did down here and rejected freaking invalid demand. Not strong at all, but it still rejected it. Oh, music stopped. Wait, did the 1 hour close bullish or bearish?
The way the 1 hour closed, I'm expecting this candle to probably give us pretty decent top wick, you know? Probably like up into this region.
Possibly.
Thanks, Paul.
just from, you know, like pattern recognition from what normally happens when you see this.
Yeah, no, you're right. No, you are right.
Yes, Solomon, we in sales. Some of the questions some of you ask, it just gives you away. It shows you're still new to trading. Oh, you trolling, Solomon. Not you asking again if we're in a trade after I just answered. If you didn't enter, should you enter now? You can do whatever. You can take it or don't. That's your decision to make. I can't make that decision for you.
If you do, just understand why you're entering. Don't just enter because it's on the screen. Understand why.
Come on, gold. Push.
Am I going to manage risk? I can't manage this because my stop loss is right above the highs. So I'm gonna just let it play out.
Edwin's right. I need to shut up.
Oh my God. Where is my SL? It's right there on the screen. My SL is at 2292.35. You're going to Africa to meet up with Lorenzo. I don't know what that is. At this new place. Where am I at? I'm in Houston, Texas.
Going to Africa to meet up with Lorenzo. Lorenzo doesn't even sound African.
Wait, J King. I don't know if it's the Lorenzo that I'm thinking about. J King, what's your name? Oh, you're talking about that Lorenzo. Because you just said Lorenzo. There are many Lorenzo. I didn't know you were talking about Lorenzo. Wait, Hoffman? Wait a minute. I need to make sure I read it. Hoffman? The Lorenzo I know. I don't think that's his last name. Give me more details, J King. Okay. Yeah, I know the Lorenzo you're talking about. I know the Lorenzo you're talking about. He's in Africa now? Since when? I should check my DM. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, sorry Johnny, I didn't know that's you. See, we on YouTube, I didn't know that's your username. You bought a penthouse in Africa? Where? Where? He lives there now? Nice. You going this week? Nice. Do I know this guy Lorenzo LTA Concept? Nah.
I know that guy.
You do?
Yeah, another trader. But he uses I think he was doing ICT, but now he's doing volume profile, which is much better.
Strictly volume profile?
Yeah, seems like it. I saw him a few times. His ICT stuff was, I don't know, didn't seem good. And I only saw him lose with it, but then he did the volume profile like once or twice I saw, and seems to be winning with it.
Man, I'll be surprised if this 5-minute demand holds. I mean, it already held, but if we don't come down and break it, that's gonna be very, very surprising. It already held here on the 5. What we have here in the 15-minute is really enough to drive this thing down. It's enough to drive it down.
That's why I was holding a runner. I thought this was going straight back to the demand with the massive rejection wick.
Africa is a real.
You know, what a candle.
You back in, Edwin? I know you love your pineapples. Not yet. Don't feel the tingle yet?
No, if she pops, she's not doing liquidity grabs. She's gonna continue. I don't see it doing a liquidity grab.
Yeah. Now with the 4-hour closure being strong bullish, it'll just keep driving.
I wouldn't say that because the 4-hour can flip anytime. This candle is not really that strong yet.
Oh, I mean the prior. Here's the prior. You know, you got the engulfing of the bearish.
Oh yeah.
So then you can keep getting follow through. I'm not being cold. I'm just giving my technical analysis. Oh, yeah, we need Lucian to talk. I'll shut up.
taking my 15 and run.
I was actually gonna say that, but I didn't want to, you know, get you feeling down.
I knew there was probably a chance for it to react to that 5-minute demand, but to me, it was not strong enough. And the way that the bearish candle flipped, I'm like, oh nah, this is a good one here. It should fall. So those two confirmations right there made me take it. Made me take it. Short good now, stop loss 23.13. Damn. 23.13. Man.
Wait, 23.13, that's above the all-time highs, like by a lot.
Yeah.
Gildaby just said, we know who his mentor be.
Even if he's talking about gold futures, that's still a huge stop loss. That's if, man. But, you know, to each its own. Oh, wait a minute, before I jump into conclusion, what price are we here? Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Take it back. I take it back. Yeah, 23.13 is not a bad stop loss. Man. That's a huge difference though with the price. We're in the 22s Forex, but we're in the 23s with futures. That's a big difference. Wait, this kind of has a button right? Nipple. Barely.
It's entering into the 1 hour rejection wick. So it's now or never.
I'm really not expecting us to break above 2289.18 or going to the 5-minute. Yeah, still 2289 around there. The best buys was hours ago. Yeah, when he rejected the 4-hour, 15-minute demand, yeah. Beginning of this stream, we were looking for buys. He just decided not to come back to the best demand. Well, since we're in a trade already, and based on what you guys be saying, I'm gonna go use the restroom. But I got my headphones on, so if we start dropping shit, say something so I'll know.
Right? Trade is running. Trade is currently active. Let's add. Why are you asking a question? Like, let's add? What do you mean, us? Are you saying us? It's like, if you want to add, you add yourself. That's on you. I always find it funny, you get those YouTube comments. Hey, are we gonna buy? It's like, we? Yeah, I know, Prime. You asked if the trade is running. I told you the trade is active. Oh, there you go. That's a good YouTube comment right there. You can share your experience with others, but you take every trade for your own, and you learn nothing when someone says just go in and you just blindly follow. This is a good YouTube chat today. Oh. I'll be honest, I don't like the way it's pushing up so strong.
No, I'm managing some risk.
You closing out?
I just managed just taking off some.
Oh.
The way it just blasted through those sellers wasn't good.
Yeah. Unfortunately, with this trade, there's nowhere to place the alternative stop loss. Even on the lower time frame. So, it is what it is. Oh, Terry closed.
We still have a chance here because we have two orders that we need to tap and maybe we'll push the price down. We still have some chances in this trade.
See what I mean? Everyone knows when Lucian talks, he makes everyone feel better. When I talk, it's never good. Price is literally sitting right underneath a volume gap. So if it pops over it, it's over. It's rejecting it for now.
Yeah, we tapped the first order. Let's see if this will make the change for us.
It's questionable. It's not driving down. It's not rejecting hard. Oh man.
I would not pineapple this, Edwin.
Yeah. It's crossing over the little volume gap. I think it's gonna pop. Oh, Edwin literally just took a trade. Just entered. Well, good luck.
This candle barely has a bottom wick.
Yeah, very tiny one.
Oh, Edwin got in the game?
Yeah.
Didn't they make money already?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, he didn't get in. He didn't get back in.
Oh, he didn't get in. Oh. Johnny's, it actually went past 15 pips. I think Abe saw 18, right?
Yeah, I saw 18. I saw 18, but I didn't close. This is what I'll be talking about when it comes to rules. Usually close at 15, but I wanted 20, so I got greedy.
Man, I think it's only me and Edwin who got out in profit. We both took the 15 and secured.
Yeah.
Oh, it's popping. Oh, no good.
Ah, done. Got me.
I was, yeah, got me too. I was for sure expecting it to get to 20. Even more than that. That's why I didn't get out. But at the end of the day, that was still greediness. Should have got out at what we usually do.
Yeah.
So
or at least, secure or break even or something.
Yeah. Yeah, that's on me, and I got to deal with the results. Yeah, that's our rules. 15 pips London session, 20 pips during NY session, and just because we got 20 yesterday, and I think on Tuesday as well, doesn't mean you're gonna get it every day. It is what it is. All right. On to the next one. YouTube, I'll see you guys on Monday. Thank you guys for opening on. God bless you all. All my links is down below in the description. And Zoom, I'll see you guys during NY.
Thanks, Abe.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash is digital, digital, digital. The dash is digital, go, go, go. Digital, 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 digital. The cash is digital, digital. The dash is digital, run it up. Digital, 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 digital. Stepping like Marty McFly, stepping I feel like the guy. I got them looking like why. I never doubted me why. I never doubted my guys. You know you in it for win. I stand on 10, you on 10. I don't have friends of a friend, only the fan of the